Hello, this is Mahshid. I'm the master esthetician and laser technician here in Sechoir. So we are doing the microblading touch-up on my client. This is her after 1 year touch-up. She's coming back. She still have the eyebrow perfectly. I just gonna go over each strokes and make them a little bit darker. And she kept the shape and color perfectly fine. So we just want to add more strokes to her eyebrow. So after the first treatment, they have to come back 4 to 6 weeks, not her because she already had a first-time client. And then between 8 to 12 months, they need to come back for the touch-up. Some people, they keep it over 1 year. It depends. If you have oily skin, you need like more touch-up. If you have dry skin, it will stay perfectly like until 18 months, 1 year, 2 years. So this is the ink. So we're gonna just apply like a mask on top of the skin. So it goes inside the stroke. So this is kind of like a remover. It's not a soap, it's kind of like remover. It makes removing the color easier. This is like an open wound gel. It makes the skin calm down and also it makes the strokes to be numb. But this technique is very popular these days because it's not like tattoo like crayon coloring. It looks like their own hair. It's very natural. Thank you for watching this. If you have any question or you want to come for the consultation, you can call us at Sechoir and book your free consultation here. Thank you.